Hey girl, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber, and is it bob season yet? Because I'm here for it, okay? I got to try out this amazing bob from this company, and girl, I am in love. Like, who is this? Whole new personality coming through right now. So keep on watching if you want to know all the details of this affordable unit. So I received a package from Asteria Hair, and on their website they have a lot of budget-friendly, super cute, stylish options. And one thing that caught my eye was this wear-to-go wig, which is like a wig that you literally can put on and go, which is something I like because I ain't got the time to lay down the lace with glue, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you should definitely check that out. The link is in my description box. But girl, I was just like, ooh, wait a minute, because look how good this looks. This is how it came straight out of the box. The hair is looking super flat, which I like. The top is looking super flat and like no flyaways. The hairline is looking on point. There's absolutely nothing negative about this unit, and it's affordable, which is an amazing thing as well. But girl, I was just like, okay. This is a 5x5 lace closure unit, a 14-inch lace closure bob. The hair is feeling super silky and super soft, which is a plus, and it's a full unit. Like, it's not like a thin unit. Sometimes you have those bobs where it's like a bit thinned out, especially at those ends. This one is full from the top to the bottom, which is a good thing, okay? And they also put some goodies inside of the box, which is much appreciated. So I'm just gonna put on this wig stocking cap, and I'm gonna put this unit on, and you will see how freaking easy it is to install this unit without any glue. Girl, look at that hairline. It looks super natural. The only thing you can see right now is my wig cap, and honestly, I could have done this without my wig cap, but I did, and in real life I didn't really notice. But honestly, it looks good already, girl. The only thing I have to do right now is to make the middle part a little bit more natural, the wig stocking cap part, and style this unit. So I'm gonna flat iron this unit, but first let me remove my sweatshirt so you can see better and see how easy it is to just wear this unit as a glueless unit. You just have to adjust it to your hairline and you're good to go. Girl, like, this unit is so cute. It's super affordable and it's so easy to wear. This is like a standard piece you should have in your wig closet if you wear wigs, because this unit matches with every season actually. But bob season, fall is coming. It's just in and super popular right now. And also, while I was flat ironing this unit, it flat irons beautifully, no problems at all. As you can see, the hair is super soft and silky, and it's still voluminous, and it has a lot of body to it. It flows, it feels super natural. It is super natural, right? And I also got minimal shedding. This hair doesn't shed at all, which is a good thing. I was manipulating this hair a lot, not a lot, just like a little bit. I was styling this hair, and there was absolutely no hair coming out of this unit, which is amazing. So yeah, that's actually it. This is the finished look, which is incredible. Like, you can see my face. I was just like, girl, yes. I was feeling myself. I had my, little moment where I was like, okay, girl, who is this? The hairline is super natural, which is amazing. Didn't need to do anything about it. I should have put some concealer on it as well on this hairline to make it match my skin tone, but still, it still looks good, okay? It looks incredible. because I want to show you guys again once more how easy it is to put this wig on and go. Like, this is really a wear and go wig, right? This is another day that I applied this unit because I had somewhere to go. So I was just like, you know, let me wear this super cute unit again because it's just too gorgeous to just let it sit there, right? And I just put it on my head. This is all in real time. I didn't cut these clips, whatever. You can see, like, I was just making sure the wig was attached in the back with the extra combs, make sure that everything was sturdy and good to go, which took me literally, if you count the seconds on this little clip, 20 seconds to do all of this. It literally took me 20 seconds. And yeah, that was it. That's how long it took me to apply this wig, and now I'm good to go. Like, wear and go, girl. Like, that's why I love this unit. Like, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the exact unit that I'm wearing in this video, girl. And again, I'm wearing this unit completely glueless. You can see here, no hairspray, no lace glue, no gel, nothing. This is how I'm wearing this wig. So it's truly a wear and go wig, which is more healthy. This is like a healthy option for your typical lace wig because you're protecting your edges. There's nothing to worry about, nothing that's pulling on your hairline. So yeah, definitely check out the links in my description box. I really hope and you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.